The year 2020 has seen its fair share of major events ranging from natural disasters to losing some of our great beloved personalities. In a year that will be remembered for loss, let's look back at some of the lives we lost this year. Kobe Bean Bryant was an American professional NBA player who died at the age of 42 when the helicopter he was traveling in, along with his 13-year-old daughter, crashed into the side of a mountain in Calabasas, LA. Irfan Khan was one of the finest actors in the Indian cinema. In March 2018, Khan revealed that he had been diagnosed with a neuroendocrine tumor. On 28 April 2020, he was admitted to the hospital where he started receiving treatment for a colon infection. He died the following day from the infection. Rishi Raj Kapoor is widely regarded as one of the most successful actors in the history of Indian cinema. He was diagnosed with leukemia in 2018 and received successful treatment for a year. However, he passed away at the age of 67 owing to breathing difficulties after being admitted to the hospital on 29 April. Sushant Singh Rajput was an Indian actor who starred in a number of commercially successful Bollywood films. In 14 June 2020, Rajput was found dead in his home in Bandra, Mumbai. His post-mortem report stated the cause of the death as suicide. Saroj Khan was a renowned choreographer in Hindi cinema. She was the best known for being the first women choreographer in Bollywood. She died on 3rd July 2020 of a sudden cardiac arrest. Chadwick Aaron Boseman was an American actor and playwright who achieved international fame for playing superhero Black Panther. He was diagnosed with stage 3 colon cancer in 2016, which eventually progressed and led to his death. Pranab Kumar Mukherjee was an Indian politician who served as the 13th President of India. Mukherjee tested positive for COVID-19 prior to a surgery to remove a blood clot in his brain. He passed away on 31st August due to septic shock, which was caused by his lung infection. Archana Mohanty was a renowned folk singer from Assam. She was the wife of late Khoghen Mohanty and mother of popular singer Papon. She died on 27 August 2020 as she was suffering from diabetes, high blood pressure and Parkinson's disease. Eddie Van Halen was an American musician and songwriter who is regarded as one of the all-time greatest guitar players in rock history and was well known for popularizing the tapping guitar solo technique. He died of a stroke in Santa Monica, California in October 6, 2020 at the age of 65. Ram Vilas Paswan was a prominent Indian politician from Bihar. He was the leader of Lok Janshakti Party. He died on 8 October 2020 as he had undergone heart surgery and was hospitalized for a few weeks prior to his death. Torun Gogoi was an Indian politician who served as the Chief Minister of Assam from 2001 to 2016. He was a member of the Indian National Congress and led the party to record 3 consecutive electoral victories. He passed away on 23rd November due to post-COVID complications. Diego Maradona was an Argentine professional football player and manager who was widely regarded as one of the greatest players in the history of sports. On 2nd November, he underwent emergency brain surgery to treat a subdural hematoma. On 25th November, he suffered a heart attack which led to his death. Mahashai Dharampal Gulati was an Indian businessman, founder and CEO of MDH and was referred to as Spice King. He was 97 when he passed away in the morning of December 3rd after suffering from cardiac arrest.